Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to brake smoothly. In this video, I'll be going over a few simple steps that you can use to brake smoothly and safely. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, braking smoothly is all about prediction, and prediction comes with experience. So with that being said, I'll be giving you some beginner exercises and practice drills to use, but the more that you drive, the better that you'll be at braking smoothly, because you'll be better at predicting how much you need to push the brake pedal. If you predict wrongly, you're either going to brake too early or too late. So it's about predicting exactly how much to push that brake pedal down in order to stop on time. Now let's get right to it. Also, I should say this: stopping is your priority. So that means that I'd rather you brake on time and very aggressively or roughly than to not brake on time and get into an accident. So that means that stopping is your priority. Braking smoothly is your goal, but if you have to brake aggressively to stop on time before you get into an accident, then stop on time. Brake as aggressively as you need to, because stopping is literally your #1 priority. Stopping on time. Remember that always. These are all goals to brake smoothly, but your priority and the necessity is that you stop on time. So how do you brake smoothly? Well, you have a brake pedal right here. Now, when most people get their license, they think that they have to push the brake pedal and continue pushing it down in order to come to a complete stop. But that is actually not how you brake smoothly, and that's why when people first get their licenses, they're oftentimes braking and making people, throwing people forward and backwards as they brake and accelerate, because it's a little bit rough at the beginning. So you have to ease into the brake pedal. Now, here's the situation. In an ideal braking situation, if you want to brake smoothly, this is what you do with the brake pedal. You get your foot and you're going to ease into it until a certain point in which you're going to have enough braking power, and then you're going to hold it there. You're not going to keep pushing. You basically hold it there, okay? So you don't want to continue to press down that brake pedal. You want to push it down until you get enough braking power, and then you can actually hold it in that position. So let's say I'm driving and then I push the brake pedal. I have enough braking power here. I'm going to hold it there until the car comes to a stop. Now that's where the prediction comes into play, because when you're first learning how to drive, you don't know if you're pushing it not enough, if you're not pushing it enough, or if you're pushing it down too much. So that's where the prediction and experience comes into play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some practice drills and show you exactly what you can do in an empty parking lot, just like this one right here, pretty much, where there's no traffic, that will allow you to practice braking smoothly. Let's get the seatbelt on and we'll get moving. So what you're going to do is you're going to push the brake pedal down, and I'm driving an automatic car. If you're driving a manual car, you can just slightly modify this for, starting off in first and so forth, but I'm just going to be putting it in drive. So I'm going to take the gear selector, put it in drive, get rid of the parking brake, put the parking brake down, and then what I'm going to do is my foot is down on the brake pedal now. That's why I'm not moving. I'm going to release the brake pedal and not push the gas pedal. Just release the brake pedal, get into a rolling movement, and then I'm going to slowly press the brake pedal down until I feel like I have enough stopping power, and then hold it there. And I'm going to do that a few times, okay? So I'm going to release the brake pedal, I'm moving forward, I'm rolling forward, push the brake pedal down, and I'm holding it here because I feel like I have enough stopping power. You see how smooth that stop was? Release the brake pedal, I'm rolling forward, push it, and hold it right about there. Now that was a very gradual stop. And I was barely moving at all. There was virtually no speed with the car. So what you're going to do is you're going to do that a few times, as many times as you need to, until you get that smooth braking experience. Now what you're going to do, and I'm just going to reverse for this so I get a little bit more roadway over here. What you're going to do is you're actually going to release the brake pedal, and next you're going to push the gas pedal a little bit, and then do the same thing, just brake smoothly. So I'm going to release the brake pedal, push the gas pedal, I'm moving a little bit faster, and then brake smoothly, just like that. So what I did was I pressed the brake pedal up until about here, I would say, and then I held it there. And then once you've come to a complete stop, at that point you can push the brake pedal down a little bit harder, sort of make sure that you don't, slightly release it and the car starts moving again. So I'm going to release the brake pedal, push the gas pedal, just like that. I'm moving a little bit faster now. Now I'm going to push the brake pedal and hold it right here. Now look at how smooth that braking was, okay? Now you're gonna keep doing that, like I said, practice it many, many times. And what you're gonna do next, especially if you're in a parking lot, is you're gonna choose certain milestones in that parking lot, and you're gonna try and brake smoothly before those milestones. So for instance, I see a light post over there. I'm going to put the car in drive. I'm going to try and brake smoothly before that light post, a little bit before the light post. And you want to try and get as close as you can to those milestones. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing it against something like a wall, because if you mispredict, if you don't predict properly, then what's going to happen is you're going to hit the wall. And I don't want you to do that. Don't use a car as a reference point or a wall, but you can use something to the side of you. That light post is all the way to the side of me, but I can create an imaginary line in front of me. Releasing the brake pedal, pushing the gas to move forward, pressing the brake pedal and holding it here, and I stopped right before the light post right now. So as you can see, it's just a matter of practice, and I've given you a few exercises that you can use to practice your prediction for braking properly and smoothly. Now, like I said before, when you take this onto the road in real life traffic situations, braking on time is your number one priority. Okay, braking smoothly is your goal, and you want to brake smoothly, but braking on time is the main thing that you need to think about. And that's basically it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for braking smoothly? Let me know as a comment down below. Was this video helpful for you? Let me know. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.